Hello everyone. Today I will show you why your YouTube video looks blurry after upload and how to fix it in 2026. This is a very common issue and many creators think their video quality is ruined, but most of the time it's temporary or caused by simple mistakes. First, understand YouTube processing. When you upload a video, YouTube processes lower quality versions first. HD or 4K versions take more time, so your video may look blurry until full processing is complete. Next, check your export settings. Always export in at least 1080p with proper bitrate. Low bitrate or incorrect resolution will permanently reduce quality, even if YouTube processes it fully. Then, check the codec and format. YouTube recommends MP4 with H.264 or H.265 codec. Unsupported or old codecs can cause compression issues, making videos look soft or blurry. Another important factor is scaling. Never stretch a low-resolution video to 1080p or 4K. Upscaling doesn't improve quality and often makes videos look worse. Also, wait before judging quality. HD processing can take hours, especially for long or high-resolution videos. Always refresh and check quality settings manually. Finally, use a stable upload connection. Interrupted or unstable uploads can affect final quality. Always upload with a strong and stable internet connection. So yeah, blurry videos usually happen due to processing time, low bitrate, wrong export settings, or scaling issues. Fix these and your YouTube videos will look sharp again. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions.